Nicole here, and it's a very quick update for the reopen. We have ready for occupancy Beatrice model, guys. Ang ganda ng pwesto niya dito sa Bella Vista Phase 1. I'm gonna show it to you very quickly. So we have one RFO Beatrice and we have one slot for construction. So it's either Bettina or Beatrice model kasi naman itatayo pa lang. So nag-iisa lang po yan, guys. Tig-isa lang yung available. So what it means, this is first come first served online reservation. So kung magugustuhan niyo yung pwesto niya, which is ako personally, nakikita ko na nasa gitna siya, ang lapit niya sa entrance gate, tapos ang lapit niya pa sa amenity area. At dahil RFO na yun at nag-iisa lang yun, first come first served po siya, online reservation. Kailangan niyo akong kontakin agad pag nagustuhan niyo to. Ipapakita ko na. So guys, be ready. Let's go and check it out. There you have it, guys, from the entrance gate. Kagagaling lang namin sa entrance. Ayan, dito sa side na to, guys. Puntahan na natin yung RFO unit. We're gonna go drive straight. Okay, we're just gonna be a little slow. So it's block 29. Okay, Beatrice model RFO. So from the entrance gate, guys, pangalawang kanan lang siya. So we're gonna turn right on this side. And then pangalawang block lang siya, guys. Just imagine that, ha? Kaya sobrang prime ng location. So here we turn right and then you see this block. And then this block na siya, guys. So here we're gonna go straight and then we're gonna turn left. So pag nakita nyo tong magandang corner na to na may gate na yan, ayan na yung palatandaan, guys. Pag kaliwa mo, if we turn left, we're just gonna find that slot, guys. Okay, and then I'm gonna show you yung nag-iisang RFO na paunahan lang po, Beatrice model. Let's go, guys. You have it, guys. Ito po yung street nyo dito. Yan, may mga neighbors na kayo na may magaganda ng gate and fence. At ito na po yung ating ready for occupancy Beatrice model. Ayan siya, guys. Nakatayo na po siya. Ayan, ayan. So, ang details nito, guys, minimum lot po yan na 80 square meters. So, showing on the screen yung details po ni Beatrice model na RFO. Yung kanyang unit features. Ayan, guys. Nakakita niyo sa screen ngayon. Alright? Ayan siya, guys. Nakatayo na. Siyempre, mas pagagandahin pa yan kapag ka ita-turn over. Na good as brand new naman yan pag tina-turn over. So, nire-repaint po yan. Okay? Ganun po siya. Ayan. Ayan siya, guys. Oh, ang ganda ng pwesto. Tapos pagkanan mo dyan, guys, pa-entrance gate na kaagad. O, diba? Ayan. Perfect, guys. So, without further ado, showing on the screen, ang sample computation po, dahil RFO yan, ikakash nyo na po yung down payment. Okay? So, this opportunity is only for those who are willing to pay in cash of the down payment, either 10% or 20% down payment. But what you must remember is first come first serve. Before anything else, dapat mag-reserve ka muna ng 10,000 para ma-secure ito under your name. So, pag nakapag-reserve ka na ng 10,000, within 30 days mong babayaran yung 10% cash out kung minimum lang. Pero kung gusto mong mag-discount, ayan, guys, o sige, papakita ko sa screen, kapag nag 20% down payment ka, guys, mayroon kang malaking discount, less 7% from the down payment, payable within 7 days. Kaya kung ako sa'yo, kung kaya mo naman magbayad ng 20% DP para makapag-avail ka ng discount, i-push mo na yung may discount. Pero kung hindi talaga kaya, pero gusto mo tong mapasayo, itong Beatrice model na to, okay, mag 10% down payment ka lang, tapos ipapasok na kaagad natin next month sa bank financing ang iyong mga documents. So, dapat dito, guys, be ready with your documents within 30 days para pag napasa na natin yan at naaprubahan na, pwede nang ma-schedule ang turnover. Ayan, nakakita ko, may nakalagay dito na, nakakabit na yung Meralco. Yung water, probably for installation na rin yan, guys. So, yun na lang yung hihintayin mo para sa punch listing or turnover ng yung unit. Dahil nag-iisa lang tong Beatrice model na to, guys, you have to contact me as soon as possible. Again, my name is Nicole. So, kontakin nyo ako agad. I-reserve nyo na kaagad ito online kasi nakita nyo naman agad yung pwesto. Virtual tripping na, actual na itong ginawa ko sa inyo para yung mga clients ko dito, OFW abroad or kung nasan man kayo, meron na kayong chance na magkaroon ng RFO Beatrice model dito, guys, sa Bella Vista na nag-iisa lang. Okay? At kung hindi ka naman nagmamadali, for example, gusto mo yung for construction. Ang ibig sabihin ng for construction, halimbawa yung lote na yan, itatayo pa lang yung unit. Dahil itatayo pa lang, may chance ka pang pumili kung Bettina or Beatrice ba yung gusto mong model. So, let's say, Bettina yung gusto mo. Ayan guys, pinapakita ko sa screen yung nag-iisa nating available na Bettina for construction. Yan po yung kanyang sample computation. Okay? Ito guys, ay nag-iisa lang din, alright? Yan yung for construction. Para yan sa hindi nagmamadali. Kaya pwede ka pang mag-down payment in 24 months, 0% interest. Hindi mo kailangan ng cash out, okay? Kung halimbawa namang Beatrice ang gusto mong itayo, ayan, pinapakita ko rin sa screen ngayon guys. Kung Beatrice ang gusto mong itayo, okay? Wala tayong problema dyan guys, alright? So, all you need to do guys is to contact me as soon as possible. Ayan yung aking details, alright? Para guys, kayo yung mauna dito sa mga reopen na 2 piraso lang naman. First come, first serve talaga siya guys. So again guys, all you need to do is to contact me right now dahil online reservation at first come, first serve lamang po ito na nag-iisang RFO Beatrice, okay? At yung for construction na nag-iisang slot lang din sa Bella Vista Phase 1. You have to contact me with my Viber and WhatsApp number. O kaya naman guys, kung gamit mo Messenger, ayan siya guys, showing on the screen yung aking Messenger. Pwede nyo akong i-follow, may blue check yan, verified account yan, okay? Sa Facebook. So all you need to do, contact me right now para ikaw yung mauna. Thank you guys for watching and have a nice day. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.